A quick and reasonably accurate method of establishing bearing clearances can be made using a product called Plastigauge, whereby a thread of specially prepared plastic is squeezed between the bearing journal and the shell. The screws are torqued to the specified figure, and the cap is subsequently removed to reveal the now squashed and flattened strip of plastic. The width of the strip is then measured against the scale divisions on the paper wrapper, and the closest corresponding width division is read off the scale in millimeters or fractions of an inch. After the reading has been taken, the plastic can be wiped away with an oil-moistened clean rag. The following points are important when you use Plastigauge. Firstly, you should cut off a strip corresponding to the width of the bearing. There must be no oil on the shaft or bearing during the check. Lay the strip carefully onto the shaft and again carefully fit the cap according to the alignment markings and torque the screws. After measuring, wipe off the plastic with an oil-soaked clean cloth. Refer to the manufacturer's technical manual for actual allowed tolerance and clearances. After measuring, and if the clearances are within specified limits, liberally coat the bearings with clean oil of the grade to be used in the machine or engine. Fit the caps onto their respective mountings. Torque the screws to specified limits, and rotate the shaft by hand to ensure it turns freely. After the pause, we shall conclude this program with some important points concerning shell-type bearing installation.